Let's take a look at the presenter tracking feature on Poly Studio. So I'm in a classroom. I have students in the class here with me and others also on the far end over video. Now, as an instructor, when I'm on video, sometimes I get concerned that I'm not being seen, either if I don't have a tracking camera in the room with me, or I'm concerned that it's tracking too slow. I might feel like I have to stay nailed down to my chair the whole time. This is the great thing about Poly Studio. I've got the freedom to know that I can get up and move around the classroom and always still be seen on video. Maybe I want to come over here and start writing on this whiteboard, or maybe I want to come over here to my interactive virtual whiteboard here, or I want to share some content. The great thing is, no matter whether I'm sharing content, I want to write on a whiteboard, or I just want to get up and pace a little bit while I'm instructing, I can be confident knowing that I'm always seen on video, always in the center of the screen at all times, and my face isn't getting lost as I'm walking around the room.